Hey son, what are you making today?
Making chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies?
These are almost done cooling down, so I'll place them on a plate. They can cool down.
Wow, they look yummy. I can't wait to eat them. Are they? Let me see. Let me see what they look like. Yum, yum. That's it? You have some more?
And there's some more chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah. Are they ready?
Almost.
Not ready yet? Need a little bit more time to be ready?
Yeah.
Alright. In the meanwhile, I'll just admire these ones here. They look so good. Hey guys, welcome to another video. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. We're kind of stuck in a snowstorm today, and so it's just been snowing from since yesterday. And we want to make some cookies. Not me. My son. He's making cookies today. What kind of cookies are you making?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies he's making today. He is the cook guy today. So, yeah. Yummy, that looks yummy. Let me see. Ooh, that looks very yummy. Wow. Okay. So that's his second batch of cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and chocolate chip in it, and real chocolate. Yeah. So he's making that. Let me show you guys here. He's a chef. Look at him. Look at the chef. Look at the chef. You know, Chef Fares. How do you feel, Chef Fares? Hey, you know, bringing all this amazing food to your family. You know, next you gotta show them your pasta recipe and your rice recipe. You cook up rice that you make. You know, you gotta show them that. You know, that looks nice. Let me put this. Just soft and tender. Look, guys, it's amazing.
I will taste one.
Taste some. Hold back. It's a little bit warm. Careful, don't burn your lips. I really don't like chocolate chip anything, but my son makes this amazing chocolate chip. He doesn't put a lot, so it's just right. To the taste.
Yeah.
Is it good? Laura, how is it? It's good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. I bet let your father taste it when he come inside.
Let's show him eating it.
Is it good? Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, let me see.
Alright, guys. So let's see how much cookies you can make.
Who's that?
What is all the cookies? Here. That looks yummy. It's Sabbath, guys. If you see my kitchen is a disaster, it's a disaster. When my son cooks, kitchen is a disaster. I'm telling you right now. I was just saying, go clean up your mess in the kitchen. He did wash up his dishes. But anyways, there's fruits and vegetables everywhere because we did some shopping a couple days ago. And, yeah. We shopped for Sabbath, so we have all our stuff over there. All these fruits and stuff you see here. We still have to put them away. But it's going to be Sabbath tonight, so we got to cook. No time to put away this stuff right now. Maybe after Sabbath tomorrow night. Anyways, so let me show you guys these beautiful cookies. I'm going to save mine for later after I eat my dinner. But I'm so proud of my son. Are you going to be a chef when you grow up? No. No. I know he's not going to be a chef. He said he wants to be, what's that you said he want to be again?
Graphic designer.
Yeah, he wanted to be a geologist for rocks a long time ago, but now he changes his mind and he is going to be a graphic designer because he likes graphic. He's always telling me to buy this, how to buy all this pencils and this and that, but you know, you gotta support your kids, whatever they want to be, you know. So yeah, that's what I do. I support my kids once they're doing good stuff. Yeah, once they're doing good stuff. So yeah, it's my lovely son.
Mom, can I tell you what I'm making?
And
Hey,
you know, it's all my sons can cook. So you ladies out there, huh? He's 14. You know, I have another 20 something. you know, and the next 19-year-old there, you know, and they all can cook. All right? So, you know what that means? Mommies, call me up. When they're ready to get married. Men that can cook is in my household, okay? So make sure you ladies are up to par, okay? Anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a little shout out, and, you know, my son is making some stuff. So thanks for watching as usual. Just giving you guys some humor. And as usual, remember you're beautiful. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Hey, hey, hey.